a guest with us, but he's off mic and off camera.
Correct.
Not really a guest.
We have an audience member.
He's a heckler more of like. He's not a heckler yet. Maybe he'll get there
I think sooner rather than later.
rather than later.
Currently, he's a grinner.
He's having a good
just
laugh right now.
Sitting, baring his teeth and having a seizure. Yes.
But is he a carbon neutral person?
He's vegetarian.
Or can people be carbon neutral? I'll tell you what it is. I'm
I'm not a carbon-based life form. Sure.
Shut up. Sun, पूरी बात सुन.
हाँ.
Carbon based life form. क्या हो जाता है? So I was on LinkedIn, okay, because there's this internship thing that we're trying to do, make happen. And Gabriel had posted on LinkedIn. I have 10 connections on my LinkedIn, okay. So he posted for me. He's a good lad. So I opened LinkedIn to have a look. And I started browsing because your brain is just stupid and it just browses whatever the fuck is in front of you. Because it's a scroll, you gotta scroll. You keep scrolling. And I come across this. Meet the world's first carbon neutral baby. ये देख. अब तू थोड़ा माइक में डाल के सुनाइए उसको.
Carbon emissions her entire life, while the average Indian emits nearly 2 tons of carbon in just a year. This was made possible by her visionary parents, Dinesh SP and Janaganandini, who dreamed of a better planet for their daughter. Their mission began even before Adavi was born. Partnering with farmers in Tamil Nadu, they planted 6,000 fruit trees, which will grow alongside Adavi, absorbing enough carbon dioxide to cancel out her lifetime emissions. She has now been recognized by the Asia Book of Records as the world's first carbon neutral baby. As for her parents, they have found a larger mission. Dinesh left his job at IIT Madras to establish Siraku, an NGO dedicated to creating a carbon neutral India by teaching people to offset their carbon footprint through tree planting. In just 2 years, the couple has planted 4 lakh trees, regenerating forests and inspiring others to act.
The cartoonish music doesn't help, by the way.
Not at all.
Okay. And this idea, I mean, how are you determining? अभी बंदे की जिंदगी शुरू हुई नहीं कि ये बंदे कार्बन न्यूट्रल है. वो जाके इलॉन मस्क बन गई जो उसने प्राइवेट जेट मारी है पूरी जिंदगी. I mean, where is the math? I need Adavi.
Adani तो नहीं हो सकता उसका नाम.
Who's this?
I think allowed ही नहीं होगा.
Hi, can I have a chat with you later? I'm in a meeting right now, please.
Big meeting.
Thank you.
Business meeting.
It's quite it's a bit of a meeting. Sorry. वैसे तो निकल जाएगी. अरे 2 मिनट हाय तो बोल के जा. थोड़ा माइक पे आके हाय बोल के जा ना. Oh right, sure, dude. Yeah, who cares?
Yeah.
Who cares?
He's too polite.
Bro, don't. I mean, listen. I really like polite society because I can game it. But you don't have to.
But ये अच्छा
we got derailed. The bit got derailed.
मैं यही पूछने वाला था.
Direct.
कि ये बच्चे अब पाद मारती है.
हाँ
तो
जी.
इसके माँ बाप ने ऐसे पेड़ खड़े कर रखे हैं तो बस
उसकी नर्सरी से पौधा वाला लगा रखे भाई ने. तो जैसे ही वो पौधा मारती है वो absorb जाता है. And then it pushes out, it absorbs the carbon dioxide, oxygen बाहर निकल रही है.
उसका गैस ऑक्सीजन बन जाता है.
Where is the math? I can't just believe this 6,000 trees is equal to 1 carbon neutral life. The fuck are you talking about, dude? Some people live a very simple life, right? They want to fucking just buy just the chill plain clothes. They're not trying to fucking get a BMW. They like a Tata. They fuck with a Tata. They don't want to fucking go business class or private jet. They don't vacation as much. Carbon neutral. How are you determining bande ki zindagi nahi shuru hui? You can't do this. We cannot be having you off mic and talking.
Yeah,
to me.
you need a mic.
Don't talk to me, dog. Listen, we can't do that.
Then just audience.
Exactly. Correct. Yeah.
That's why I was like, anyway. But
Where's the logic?
bro, also like I feel like people are skimming over the fact that nobody asked for this girl's consent. What if she wants to be like Taylor Swift and take private planes everywhere? Does she want to be carbon neutral?
But I'm saying, dude, you don't even know what the fuck kind of life she's gonna live, dude. You can't declare her as the first carbon neutral baby born. I don't get it.
Imagine when she starts becoming not carbon neutral. They'll be like, Adani has gone back on being not carbon neutral. Whatever her name is. That's gonna be some bad press.
Ambani.
Why would you name your daughter Ambani? I don't get it.
To my mind, you know what the most, like, I think the best carbon neutral person is a serial
Gandhi
killer.
ji.
A serial killer. He's murking all the fucking other people, polluting the planet, dude.
The carbon footprint is reducing.
Carbon footprint, yes. So I don't think. I mean, Adawi is not the first person ever to be carbon neutral. Let me be fucking honest with you. Probably the Zodiac Killer or Jack the Ripper.
Yeah.
Jack the Ripper had a head start, at least as far as public opinion goes.
Yeah.
He had everyone spooked.
And even as far as like, well, disease does a good job. COVID, remember? So many places
Yeah.
they started,
But that's not a person, na.
swimmers, fish are coming back to...
This is not a person. It has to be a person. It has to be a carbon neutral person. You can't have AIDS. AIDS बंदा नहीं है अब कोई.
एड शर्मा तू एड शर्मा को नहीं जानता क्या बात कर रहे हैं वो तेरी
That's
क्लास में नहीं था स्कूल में
अच्छा. आर्यन इंद्र देव शर्मा AIDS बोलते हैं उसके प्यार से.
हाँ
Yeah.
करेक्ट
But who else? I mean, what kind of life qualifies you to be a carbon neutral persona?
करेक्ट
What if you're a terrorist? Is Al Qaeda? I mean, now come on, dude. Osama bin Laden is definitely more carbon neutral than this bitch. Than this stupid fucking 2-year-old bitch, Adawi. Osama bin Laden murked 2,000 people in one day or some shit, more than that. He's definitely carbon neutral, dog. I mean,
Yeah, man.
okay.
he's carbon positive in fact
No. Listen, Abhi, but like the kind
Carbon
of
negative.
the kind of pollution that was probably created as a result of 9/11, we have to weigh it out.
yeah the only reason he's not a hero is because they use explosives which are not carbon
I am
neutral.
not going to be satisfied with some stupid fucking video on LinkedIn of all places. I mean, the fucking worst social media on the planet. I will say this: LinkedIn is the worst social media app
I feel like getting on
on
it
the
now.
internet.
I feel like getting on LinkedIn now. I think it's about time. LinkedIn, any other rappers on LinkedIn? Guys, wanna...
LinkedIn is a cesspool of the, like the fucking class monitors, the fucking, I know every answer. The guys who want to basically, on LinkedIn, signal that they're such a good professional. Oh, I do everything. I'm keeping up to date with market trends. I am actually a thought leader. Pushing out those fucking essays and shit. Have you never browsed LinkedIn?
Yeah, I know.
You
I
know the
what you're
LinkedIn
talking
crowd,
about. Yeah.
dude. You know who the
It's
fuck is
terrible.
out there.
People talk about their life journey and shit, and people are liking and commenting, or not even their life journey, some lame shit that they think is their life journey. LinkedIn में बहुत ऐसे चलते हैं आप
LinkedIn में ना पता नहीं क्या वो बंदे आते हैं जिनको ना खुद की पीआर करनी है.
हाँ
बेसिकली को तुम्हारा क्योंकि तुमने कुछ इतना तो अखाड़ा है नहीं कि यू एक्चुअली हैव अ पीआर समवन डूइंग इट फॉर यू. तो तुम खुद बैठ के बनना मैं LinkedIn में दिखाता हूँ. मैंने ये करा है, मैंने ये देखा है, मैं देखा था ये ट्रेंड हो रहे हैं. इससे मैंने ये लर्निंग है मेरी लर्निंग. आई हेट लर्निंग एज अ वर्ड ऑफ
learning
the learnings.
मेरी learnings
Some corporate fucking bullshit word, learnings. Fuck out of here, dude.
sounds terrible.
It's disgusting to me.
What are your
and-
learnings from this session?
I don't think there's any fucking learnings out here,
Ah,
dog.
the lesson that I got.
yeah.
Learnings.
Sure, yeah, learning. Jesus. Apparently, it is a noun, though. I did look it up. It is literally legally a noun, but I don't like to use it in a word.
No,
I'd
it's
rather
pretty
use
lame.
lesson. Yes, yeah,
It doesn't have the
yeah.
yuck.
I approached it with a little bit of that, like snooty. Oh my god, what is this? Like an Indianism? Apparently, it's not. It is a noun.
I thought it was an Indianism too.
But yeah, well, we are cunts.
I mean, isn't that also an Indianism?
Being a cunt.
Cunt.
I think the English had a head start.
Yeah,
They colonized the world, and they also love that word, right?
correct.
It is their word.
Describe themselves.
Yeah, the Brits they've had a monopoly in being cunts
Yeah.
for the longest time, and now is it Israel or who's leading the cunt leaderboard?
Well, the Brits ain't the tits, but I think the US is probably the country.
No. US is the countries, you think?
A little bit. Okay, Romania.
I guess.
Some Eastern European place.
Mm.
Could be pretty cunty. I think Africa's out of the debate.
France.
France is pretty, yeah.
France is it.
France is it.
France is the leader
France
of the
is
cunt.
definitive, yeah.
They're at the top of the cunt leaderboard, and they've been there for the past like 2 decades, I think.
Longer, but sure.
Longer?
Nobody likes the French.
ऐसी बात नहीं है. But yes.
I mean, French women, sure. It's like,
Uh-huh.
wow. But otherwise,
I mean, I can get behind French culture. I think it's. Honestly, I'll tell you what. I like the fact that French culture, imposes this bit of like conformity, like you must be French in the sense that you can't just go to France. You gotta assimilate into their own shit. It's not like America, which is like a melting pot. But in France, it's very pro-French culture. So I like that, where you have so much pride in at least your own system that you want to encourage more of it. That's what I like about it.
but मतलब जैसे चूती है मतलब जैसे you
हाँ,
know
but
the
मैं
whole
बैठ के
the
नहीं
classic
मैं
example.
बैठ के नहीं कि भाई मेरे को क्या बोलते हैं कि चाय का प्राइस ज़्यादा महंगा होगा तो मैं जाके गाड़ियाँ जला दी, मैं स्प्रे पेंट कर दिया. मेरे को वो सब दैट मच, आई एम नॉट दैट मच ऑफ अ रेबल. रेवोल्यूशनरी नहीं, मैं आदमी नहीं हूँ मैं.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
You know, I'm a fucking autocrat. I'm not an autocrat myself yet. That's what I like, though. I like a lot of control. I don't care so much about rebellion.
Rebellion's overrated.
Yes.
It rarely does much.
So it does
to be
any-
really fair.
It does not.
No,
It
at
is-
times there are of course historic moments where rebellion does accomplish things, some revolutions, but for the most part,
You get
it's
trampled.
pretty
You get trampled. And
anticlimactic.
I just like winning, dude. I'm out here on the winning side. Let me tell you something. Power wins. All that matters. Might is right, as they say.
Yeah.
The rebel stance is anyway right.
Might is right and white is tight.
But I'm imagining, what is Greta Thunberg's thoughts on this shit, huh? A carbon
Who
neutral
gives a
person.
fuck?
Why does this? I mean, I'm sure she's jealous, dude. Can you imagine basing your whole teenage career on
career.
the
Teenage
it's
career,
not an
yes.
adult career. She's teenage. She was a teenage, right? Is she
Yes.
old? Is she legal now?
She must be an adult.
Can she
now.
get it? Can Greta Thunberg get it now?
No.
Not yet.
No, I mean, I'm talking about myself. No.
I'm just talking legally, not attractive.
Legally, I think so.
Not attraction wise. She's 21 years. She can get it. But she's not gonna. But she can. I mean, legally, she can get it. I'm surprised she hasn't made an appearance on Love on the Spectrum. That would be a fucking good get, right? A wild card entry.
I don't know. I don't know if she's that personable.
She's on the spectrum.
Well,
Yeah, who's gonna love her?
it's a
Though?
low bar.
Can you imagine? I bet she wants to get in on the carbon neutrality.
Yeah, she's carbon
personality.
positive. What is she doing about her own?
Carbon positive.
I'm
That's a good
neutral.
one. Carbon neutral, carbon positive.
Positive और negative होंगे.
कार्बन नेगेटिव कौन सा बंदा हो सकता है कि भाई उसकी जिंदगी में मतलब
वही जैक द रिपर वगैरह वगैरह.
वो कार्बन
People
नेगेटिव
are-
हो गया. हाँ,
हाँ, because देख अपना footprint से
the
तो बहुत ही.
mathematics is going to certainly justify
हाँ,
carbon negative as a.
yeah,
That's interesting,
that's what you want to be, carbon negative.
right? So
But
aren't
it's
these,
not that difficult, honestly. I mean, even if you live a lavish-ish life
so then,
in which you're not very carbon neutral at all, if you kill 2 people during the course of your lifetime, 2 young people,
there's got to be. I got to formalize. Listen, the UN IPCC, International Panel on Climate Change, right?
Right.
Isn't the IPCC? Is that what
Sure.
it is? That's what it is. They have to come with a system because, to be frank, Hitler is heavy carbon negative, dog.
that's true.
6 million, and I get it, it's by proxy. There's a lot of people, Himmler वगैरह, बाकी लोग जो वो कर रहे
No,
थे.
but look, he
उसके
gets
लिए-
all the credit, doesn't he?
नहीं, so there's got to be an equity, like it is in any well-oiled company. There's an equity split, right? I mean, you incentivize your people to do their job. So maybe Himmler gets 60% for doing it, but
Yeah.
40% carbon credit Hitler को मिलेगा ना ऊपर. He gets a cut.
Correct.
He's the boss man. He gets a wig, bro. What's the wig? Wig is interest. Slang. Okay. Wig.
Wig का full
So
form
what's
क्या
the
होता है?
wig? Huh?
Full form क्या होता है?
Slang, dude. Slang में full form नहीं होता. Acronym नहीं है, slang है भाई.
Acronym. Acronym नहीं है acronym.
Yeah, what's the wig? Wig is a wig, and I've heard this, I believe, on The Sopranos. What's the
Okay.
wig? Yeah, it's how the top boss, the mafia boss, gets the wig, right?
Okay.
They get their cut.
Okay.
They
Yeah.
get that cut.
Hitler तो
So Hitler gets a cut of the carbon gains. I'm pretty sure Stalin, heavy Mao, right? Mao Zedong.
yeah.
Those guys got to be fucking Asia Book of Award जो बहन चोद जैसे दिखाया था उस औरत ने टमाटर कहीं की जो सुना रही थी, मतलब दिखाया तो था नहीं, वो बोल रही थी पीछे से. She's talking this bullshit.
Yeah, some baby
Some dumb
Who's
fucking
at
2-year-old,
neutral?
some fucking 2-year-old toddler, nothing.
who's
Who's
at,
amounted to nothing. Dude, talk to me when you murk 20 million Russians. Okay? Then we can have a conversation. Then you are in the same league.
yeah. I mean,
Yes. Talk to me when you, as
Maybe
Winston
made a real
Churchill,
impact. Am I feeling her impact here in Delhi
talk
or
to me
anywhere?
about Bengal famine, bitch. Talk to me about Winston Churchill being more carbon fucking negative than Adavi or whatever the fuck. And I'm sorry, Mr. IIT Madras, her father,
Yeah.
you clearly have not thought this through. If you think your stupid 2-year-old daughter,
Cute kid.
cute kid, but I'm just I'm just getting into reeling into God. Guys, you get it, it's a joke. I'm an asshole. But I think being an asshole is funny. So
Yeah, Mr. IIT Madras.
either you like it or you don't.
Lots of people don't actually.
Like being an asshole.
No, like it when you're an asshole.
Don't like it.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Dude, if you we've had this conversation, man.
Yeah.
You gotta be so far gone. You gotta have lost most hope.
Yeah.
Most of all hope you ever had in life.
It's a very niche appreciation. It's often cultivated.
Some people listen. Clearly, 230 people are on board. All right.
I remember my own wee self in the first 4 or 5 episodes of the podcast.
It's called Stockholm syndrome.
When I was like being decent, holding back, and trying to be a good human being. No,
Here I am saying Hitler is better for the planet than Adavi.
is it objectively not true though?
Objectively, mathematically, only from this very narrow.
Like fuck morals, just for a
Lens.
second.
Yeah.
a second. Fuck the moralistic.
just putting all the carbon chips on the table,
yeah,
dude.
and you'll see Hitler is none.
Hitler, huh?
Hitler is none.
Hitler's got none, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's negative. No, but then that means he would have some. No, neutral में none होएगा ना. Neutral में there's no chips.
मैं तो negative सोच रहा हूँ.
Negative में तो chips होंगे ना तुम्हारे पास to have them. अदावी के पास कुछ नहीं, लोड़ा लेके बैठी है साथ में हाथ के. उसके नहीं होगा लोड़ा, but अगर है तो congratulations, you're trendy.
Also, you're 2 years old, but anyway, sure.
Intersex भी बच्चा पैदा होते हैं भाई.
अच्छा.
टमाटर है तू एक नंबर का यार. Dude, did you just participate in erasure of the intersex community on this podcast?
Did I?
LGBTQI. Idiot. You're an idiot.
Did I?
Yes.
Damn.
You totally just negated the concept of she's 2 years old, she can't have a dick. Buddy, she can. She could be intersex. She could be intersex.
I'm into sex.
I'm intersex. Yeah, why not?
Don't think she could be. Yeah.
So, yeah. Genghis Khan, Hitler, Mao Zedong, Stalin, Lenin, Winston Churchill, a bunch of others, Christopher Columbus, all of these people are certainly more carbon neutral than stupid fucking 2-year-old Adavi. I'm just letting you know. And if anyone, if you personally knows these people or they can get in touch with
Let them know.
Secundo or whatever, send them a clip. Let them know who's boss. You know? It's Hitler.
Correct. He did the most. And even if she's doing something in her area, कि भाई वहाँ पे चल तरक्की हो रही, कहीं और feel हो रहा है. नहीं.
6,000 trees is nothing in front of 6 million Yahudis.
Yeah, I mean, look at scale. Scale भी तो आप consider करो अपने impact का. That impact could be felt for generations even.
It's the simple math. If the simple math is if 6,000 trees equals 1 human being, then 6 million human beings into 6,000.
Wow.
My brain is too small to do the mathematics, bruv.
36 billion trees.
36 billion. That's 36 billion trees that he just negated the need for. We don't need those trees because we murked the fucking people.
Nobody talks about how Hitler saved 36 billion trees.
People got it wrong, dude. The final solution was not about, it was about the planet. You think it's a big anti-Semitic conspiracy?
No.
He's been ahead of the curve.
Hitler's an environmentalist.
He just wanted a green planet, dog.
The biggest there ever was.
Correct. No, I mean, I feel like, well, USSR, but USSR ka jo death toll 20 million bolte, that's more of a cumulative thing.
Yeah, and I'm talking as
That's
a
what I'm
single
saying.
individual.
As a single individual, I feel like Hitler's got, I mean, he's top of the leaderboard. Right there, dude.
Yeah. Wow. It's like Hitler planted 36 billion trees.
It's basically, it's as if he did.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
No difference, really. None at all.
None at all.
I don't see any.
I don't see, no, correct.
Wow.
You know?
They drag him through the mud so much, poor guy.
The IPCC needs to change. Needs to change their stance on murder. The International Panel on Climate Change. If murder is better for the planet, then it's not a crime; it's community service.
I see nothing wrong with that.
Correct. As you should
Yeah.
not. Because logically there is nothing wrong with it. Okay. Emotions wise, हाँ sure है, oh मेरे बंदे को मार दिया, oh मेरा भाई था वो, मेरी माँ को मार दिया. भाई तू प्लैनेट की देख, अपनी माँ के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है.
प्लैनेट तुम्हारी पहली माँ नहीं है.
हाँ. मदर अर्थ बोलते हैं ना.
पहले
हेलो.
पहले अपनी सच्ची माँ को बचाओ.
हाँ. धरती माँ, हेलो मेरे देश की धरती.
ये ना स्वार्थ है लोगों का.
करेक्ट.
अपने फैमिली, अपने फ्रेंड्स, इन सबको जिंदा देखना चाहते. क्यों?
क्यों?
वो जो माँ हमको has been nursing us from her teat for billions of years, वो जो माँ ने हमको पाला है, हम सबको पाला है, हमारे generations पहले को पाला है, उसका नहीं ख्याल करना है. Let your mom die, bro.
It's bleak out there,
Listen.
dude. It's bleak. It's bleak. People have the wrong priorities.
People are selfish.
People got the
Nobody
wrong
cares about the
priorities, dude.
environment.
Yeah.
We are overpopulated, are we not?
Correct. We are.
And they keep school में हर टेक्स्ट बुक पे कि अभी 7 बिलियन है, जब आप बच्चे लोग बड़े हो जाओगे 8 बिलियन लोग होंगे, अर्थ सस्टेन नहीं कर सकता, blah blah blah. We're seeing it.
हाँ, एंटी नेटलिज्म करा देंगे, लेकिन मर्डर के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. कहने के बच्चे पैदा कम करो, मैं कहता हूँ मार डालो ना. तुम कह रहे हो कि
Correct.
हम दो हमारे एक, मैं कहता हूँ हम दो. Fake. I don't know.
मैं कहता हूँ हम दो गन दो. भेजो इधर आओ.
Yes. I'm on board, dude.
It's the Southeast China and it's the Southeast Asian. These aging populations, they know what's up.
The Population Council needs to reevaluate. Yeah, I gotta have a chat with them.
Sanjay Gandhi, another unsung hero, another
Dude.
environmentalist.
He tried. I don't know how far he got.
He did his best in
He did
this
his best.
for India. I don't think if anybody
You
else
gotta
has
commend the
done.
man for having a vision. You know.
Correct.
Speaking of the Gandhi, did you see some guy on apparently on Aaj Tak had a placard up with Rahul Gandhi's पीछे Gandos लिखा हुआ था, GANDOS or something. Something I saw on on the Sham Sharma show.
Crazy.
Which is pretty funny to me. But the other thing that I saw that was shared with me by Vidya Batalia, which I think is of note and we must discuss.
Okay.
Now, will you please read this out to the audience?
With pleasure. Actually, I'm unsure about that part, but okay.
Avec plaisir.
Ying Yang, simplified Chinese, is a Chinese politician and lawyer who is currently serving as the Procurator General of the Supreme People's Procuratorate.
Ying Yong.
Ying Yang.
Now, that is his legal name.
अभी हम खेल रहे थे ऊपर
हाँ.
रैकेट्स के साथ.
On the
Table
Ying
पे? हाँ.
Yong table.
Yeah. I won. By the way.
But listen, like, we're not making jokes. This is his name.
His name is Ying Yang.
मैं तो बस तुम्हें information दे रहा हूँ कि
कि ये नाम racist नहीं है, ये नाम इनके
ये
actual
नाम
नाम
है. तो जब हम किसी को बोलते हैं तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, चिंग चोंग, it could really be their name.
Yeah, and for you to say, oh,
These
that's,
were being
that's being racist.
Actually, you are being ignorant of the reality on the ground.
And that's more
Where
racist.
these all these momowalas, they may have these names for real.
Correct.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You walk up to GK1 Market, M Block, and you see
and you
this.
say, hey, chili chicken.
Exactly. Hey, Shezwan. Hey, Shezwan.
And it just might be Ying Yang
That-
serving you some chili chicken. Which of Shezwan? It's a menu order.
This world has gone too soft. They care about the wrong things. You know? Give it a shot. Maybe that's his real name. I'm just saying, would he not be surprised? Would he not be ecstatic, blown out of his mind that you walk up to him and you know his name also गलती से?
Yeah.
तो ये सोच, maybe you're giving him a treat. बेचारे की कठिन जिंदगी है, सड़क पे खड़े होके वो मोमो को भाप देता है, फिर तुम्हारे मुंह में डालता है, खिलाता ही है प्यार से. तुमने जाके उसको बोल दिया भाई चिपचाप.
And he's like, wow, I
Wow, how do you
haven't,
know?
nobody's called me that name since I ran away from the orphanage aged 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like, I've been going by Suresh since then. But Chip Chop, that's where it's
My
at.
mother used to call me Chip Chop.
My mother used to call me Chip Chop. The lady used to smack me with the belt at the orphanage used to call me Chip Chop.
Chop, dude. Yeah.
And yeah, ever since I fled from there for my life, after they tried to finger me,
Nobody's, I haven't felt the embrace.
I've been calling myself
the warm embrace of being called
Yeah.
Chip Chop.
Yeah. I've just been saying I'm from Assam and calling myself Suresh.
Huh.
And I've been waiting for like 29 years for somebody to call me Chip Chop.
Mm.
So, you know,
Yeah.
you might just have that experience. People need to open their eyes, broaden
Give it
their
a shot,
horizons.
guys. Listen, take a chance. You may be racist, but on the flip side, you
What
may
if
make,
you made someone's
you
life?
may
and
made
day
his
better?
day, dude.
Yeah.
And I think that is worth it. Make his day, then you can kill him and then claim the carbon credit.
Yes. You gotta take risks to have special moments.
Yeah.
खुशियाँ ऐसे थोड़ी चल के आती है.
This would be hilarious. Like, like in a video game, if you mug someone, you get coins or whatever. And here, if you just murder someone, immediately you get credited carbon credits in your. There's
That'd
going to
be
be a
pretty
carbon credit app, dude. Yeah.
That'd be pretty good.
That would be fucking tight, dude.
Yeah, and people will finally shout out Hitler again. People will finally be getting their dues,
Yeah.
quite literally.
I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
We need measurable metrics. We need tangible things to measure these services.
Yeah. You establish a committee. You let us know how many trees per person, kitna credit, kitna carbon. And then, of course, you maybe you want to make it age bracket wise. इतने साल में इतने कार्बन क्रेडिट के इस्तेमाल होते हैं, इस साल में इतने होते हैं. इकोनॉमिक डाटा के हिसाब से इसकी इतनी औकात है, ये खरीदता है रोलेक्स, इसकी इतनी औकात है, ये खरीदता है टाइमैक्स.
Correct.
That's the way it goes.
Correct.
कार्बन उतना लगता है, बनाओ, दिखाओ मेरे को.
Yeah, get in touch. We'll make the system for you.
We'll do the propaganda.
We'll do it.
That's what we're good at.
It's called advertising. We'll do that. हम ad बना देंगे.
We'll do that shit for you. Government.
Government.
Are you
The government.
Are you listening, Mr. Government?
We're not.
Mr. Government.
Yeah.
Government.
We're talking to you. We're not talking to like the US government, Indian government. We're talking to the government.
To the government.
BlackRock or whoever.
BMGF.
The real. Yeah.
Yeah. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
Mm.
Let's go, man. Some of these foundations, I guess the best way to do it is to establish an NGO. Oh, like this guy tried to do. This dumb fuck, क्या इसका नाम है NGO का, तुमको याद है?
Beer biceps.
सकुड्डा का इसको नाम लिखा इसने.
ये
मल्लू आदमी. What is his name?
So close.
The Better India. Just because Avi will live her entire life producing zero carbon emissions, I don't buy it. She's a cute girl, dude, but I do not buy 2 tons of carbon in just a year. I'm trying to get Dinesh SP. The SP उसका real नाम है, बहन से दिनेश डाल दिया आगे, है ना?
Dinesh.
Isn't it? Probably her.
SP क्या उसकी rank है? Dinesh the SP.
Hello.
Hello.
Who's this?
I don't know.
हाँ?
हाँ.
अच्छा, आप गार्ड को दे दीजिए प्लीज, आपको अंदर से मिल जाएंगे पैसे यार.
आप गार्ड में दे दीजिए. अच्छा. आप गार्ड में दे दीजिए, आपको अंदर पैसे मिल जाएंगे.
करेक्ट.
बहुत बढ़िया.
भाई अब वो बंदा मीटिंगों से आया है, सॉसेज लेके आया तो कहाँ डालेगा? गार्ड में डालेगा ना भाई. हेलो.
Sausage.
अरे
sausage.
Where the hell else would he put it, dude? No, this is at home. It's not here. Don't get excited. घर पे.
Damn it.
It's not even sausage. It's just pepperoni. But for
वो
the
तो
joke,
और भी मुश्किल होता है.
for the well, depends on how big it is.
थोड़ा
dude.
braces है ना
To
बाहर.
establish Sirakku, an NGO dedicated to create. Well, he's already got the NGO going. We might as well co-opt the NGO and realign it towards a more effective mode of
We are
operation.
co-opting his NGO.
We will have to. देख, उसने already बना दिया, खड़ी कर दिया. He's done the legal paperwork and all of that. He's done the legwork. He's got probably a mission statement, whatever. Plant trees. We have to reorient their MO
Right.
to killing people.
He has reach and everything.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, he's 3.2 million views on LinkedIn, dude, with this fucking story, huh?
Wow.
Exactly.
So
No,
first,
sorry,
first go
3.6 million followers. I don't know how many views. They do not show views. 11,000 likes.
Okay.
That's not bad. That's not.
So
that's a big-
firstly, go. बस पहले 11,000 बंदे मिल गए.
हाँ.
Go through those likes.
Yeah.
Get after them first.
Yeah, for
we don't
believing
need
that-
him for stay phase 1.
Correct. They've
Stage
already.
one
By the way,
because-
they're on LinkedIn. We know exactly where they work.
Hey man, most people on
All those
LinkedIn
likes-
are definitely ripe for this.
Dude. Yeah, let's start there. Let's start with the LinkedIn
I think
user base.
I think
निखिल! आवाज आ गई ना उसकी, पहले चला था नहीं यहाँ पे.
I think we can also do LinkedIn a favor. LinkedIn is due a decluttering. God knows. Look at all the fucking
Bill
content.
Gates is all about the environment and reducing etc. human waste. तो उसी का तो है दुकान LinkedIn.
There are so many human wastes on LinkedIn.
Microsoft owns LinkedIn ना. चाहे वो Yava Mate और कर दे हाँ. Thank you. और एक कप भी इसके लिए ले आइयो. उसमें लैवेंडर भी डाल दे. हाइबिस्कस लेगा.
Hibiscus.
थोड़ी सी हिबिकी भी डाल दे. हिबिकी. I wish we had
Japani
Hibiki, bro.
biscuit.
I wish we had Hibiki, bro. क्या पिएगा तू? What should I bring for you tomorrow?
जो तेरी मर्जी.
But you know what do you prefer vodka or something, right? You like a vodka?
I like vodkas.
So I'll bring you vodka.
Okay.
Bring him what you want to drink, right?
तू क्या पिएगा?
I'll probably just have one or two and then fuck off. Like a small drink. I'll have some whiskey.
तू जो पीना है ले आ. So if you want a particular whiskey or something.
No, no.
I'll have that with you.
Uncle's probably got some whiskeys.
होगा.
So then that's good. Or क्या?
हाँ.
Look, I'll bring a fucking bottle of whiskey for 2 drinks. Fuck off.
No, fine.
Then, because if I bring a bottle of whiskey, I want to stick for half a bottle. Let me be very honest with you. I'll stick around and drink half the bottle.
You should.
I do not have the time. I have to leave in the morning.
I know.
To leave the following morning.
6-7 बजे आ जा.
6-7 बजे की फ्लाइट है. 7 बजे की. 4 बजे एयरपोर्ट पहुंचना है.
हाँ मैं शाम की बात कर रहा हूँ.
ओ तेरे पास तो काम कौन करेगा कल यहाँ पे? बड़ा काम करना है भाई मेरे को. ऐसे नहीं निकल सकता मैं.
Okay, busy man.
एक और चीज ये देख. This is also a hilarious theory. I think this could be you're a sports and pop guy. Now tell me.
Shall I read it out?
Read it out, of course, for the audience.
Part of why we need to end homophobia in men's sports is you can tell a lot of the pop music stands on here would be happier as sports guys. Okay. If your favorite part of being a fan of an artist is arguing about charts and who holds more records, it's because your heart longs for ESPN. Yeah, you know what? Taylor Swift is more album of the year wins than Charlie XCX's total awards. Yeah. Fuck that. Yeah, man, you need to be fighting about Chelsea and Manchester United and stuff.
Yeah.
At least those are things that the people actually do.
हाँ.
यहाँ ये आर्ट बना के कोई और ही करता है ना मार्केटिंग में. कौन सा टेलर स्विफ्ट बैठ के बना रही है रील्स का? वैसे कैसे करना है? The selling of the art is a completely different proposition entirely. So it definitely makes sense to
End homophobia in sports because they might as well be pop fans.
yes.
Do you see the logic? Zooby zoo, where are you, lil grapefruits? Why are these? You know the problem with this pseudo-intellectual discourse on the internet is that you can just create any fucking argument that will not withstand even the slightest scrutiny, like we have done with the carbon neutral situation. We have
Well,
demolished their argument.
Actually,
They
I think
cannot-
we've created our own argument.
We have demolished their stance. His life's work, planting 6,000 trees, having a baby, setting up an NGO, हमने गान मार दी उसकी 2 सेकंड में. ठीक है, अब इसकी भी मारते हैं. आजा.
तूने कॉलेज में कभी पार्लियामेंट्री डिबेट किया?
नहीं
तुझे कर लेना चाहिए
कर
था.
लेना चाहिए था.
मैं करता था. तुझे कर लेना चाहिए था.
यार मेरे आर्ट स्कूल भाई, पार्सन स्कूल ऑफ डिजाइन में कुछ नहीं होता है. MUN वगैरह पार्लियामेंट्री मैं जानते हो पता क्या. सो एक तो आई ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज नेवर गुड great student, but you know I have my wits about me, and I got an 1880 or something on my SATs out of 2400, which is not
It's
a great
respectable,
score.
but it's all right.
It's not a great like I'm not gonna get into any top liberal arts or business school, you know, like my sister got like a 23 or 2200, something like that, something around those lines.
22 onwards was Ivy League.
Yeah, so she got into UVA. UVA is a great business school,
Right.
etc. You know, whatever. I got an 1880, and the average for Parsons is 1300. They don't even require you to take an SAT. The only reason I did was because it just enables me to skip the ESL classes. I don't have to do English as a second language because I can
That
speak.
you already have proficiency.
Exactly.
through
Yeah.
your SAT,
So I'm good. So that's why I took the SAT there. So the amount, my student body at Parsons, just liberal arts wise, is so far gone. We do have a liberal arts school. That is because Parsons is part of the New School University. So there are liberal arts courses and stuff. Then the New School for Public Engagement and shit. New School is the people who have started. By the way, Earth Day. It's my university. They are those people. They are the progressive.
वो जो
liberal-
20th मार्च को 1 घंटे रात को 8 बजे
ये
से
मेरी
9 बजे
यूनिवर्सिटी
बत्तियां
शुरू
बंद
किया.
कराते
ये मेरी
सबकी.
यूनिवर्सिटी ने शुरू किया. बोले it tracks. मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी शुरू किया. I am trying to save the earth by killing people. You see what it is? They've done a good job educating me.
Wow.
Anyway, the point being, that I had taken because you have to have a certain amount of like I think one or two liberal arts classes you need to take 6 credits something per semester you have to apart from your design shit. I took a political economy. People could not answer simple questions such as taxes वगैरह. मेरी टीचर इतनी मस्त थी कि I got an A on that class and I skipped half the lessons and that lady was like, dude, you do not need to come in. You just yeah, I was
Trust you to go to design school and do the
Political
political economy
economy.
class में top कर रहा है बंदा. Of course. That
some
makes
things just come
sense.
naturally to you. You know, it's one of those things where it's just you're interested in something and you tend to read more about it and
तो पुरानी बात है from Parso School of Design.
Parso School of Design. But the point being कि in my college, I really do not think I could have had any of those political debates or whatever you're talking about.
Yeah, they'd
Yeah.
be quite.
How about in Nalsa? Nalsa में तूने करी है college debate वगैरह?
भाई
सुना?
वो तो law school है ना.
हाँ, correct.
वहाँ तो सारे from different walks of life, everybody is different. मतलब हमारे ऐसे भी थे कि you had the rich kids who were commies also.
Dude, most
You
commies
have-
are rich kids.
Yeah. You had the now this is the first time I ever encountered caste or reservation or anything that in my life
Right.
was in this experience.
I've never done it. I have never been in a situation
And
where
because it was insane, because I went from DPS Arkapuram, from that bubble that we were in, to going to a batch of 120 kids where 60 was some form of reservation or the other, some local domicile.
we have EWS reservation in school.
We did not have EWS. This is the thing. I had a
But again,
batch
GPS
where-
we've had some
Yes,
reservation, but very
yes.
little.
Yes.
I mean, proportionally very little compared to yeah.
So these things got me thinking for the first time, and interact with lots of people from different places and whatever within India
Yeah.
that I never would have otherwise. Some are still friends.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil bhai. Couple are still friends, and what do you call? We had like people.
अरे
who were-
हाइबिस्कस भी डालनी थी भाई. एक चम्मच ले ऐसे ही डाल दे. चम्मच में ले आ बस. हाइबिस्कस. हाँ चम्मच में ऐसे ले आओ. यहीं भी डाल. हाँ? लैवेंडर और हाइबिस्कस दोनों डालनी थी. तो हाइबिस्कस एक चम्मच में ले आ मैं डाल दूंगा.
We had people also who were they were caste disadvantaged, so SC ST reservation, and unki rank hai 14,000 or something. Clat mein, for context, I mean up till rank 130. That's all India. That's you
That's
don't get
general
it.
की cap है.
You don't get into Nalsa after.
Yeah, after general category.
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
gen
general category ka cap. You had somebody
तो
who's-
you were 129 or something.
I was 123. So
Not bad.
you had somebody who is, but then list खुल जाती 140 तक भी आ जाते हैं बच्चे. But
Sure.
anyway,
Because probably not
Year to-
everyone also goes na eventually.
year to year, some then opt to stay in their hometown only or
Right.
in LUD or something. That's another choice. But क्या कहते हैं? So I mean, this first time I was made to think of these things, and it was a hotbed of argument and debate. Also, people used to close the. I was privy to everything because मैं कि सब की सुनता था, and I was never इधर की बात उधर करने वाला. So everybody liked me. So मैं इनकी भी argument सुनता था behind their closed door. मैं इनकी भी argument सुनता था behind their closed door. But yeah, it was a thing.
Super Ustam, double agent.
But किसी का कुछ नहीं कर रहा. मैं बैठा हूँ बस चुपचाप. अपना opinion दे रहा हूँ अगर कोई मांग
तू
रहा है
करता
तो.
कहाँ है कभी कुछ?
हाँ correct. That's why everyone likes me. देख. Always have. मेरी respect थी वहाँ पे भाई.
Oh,
Because I was 1 year older ना.
What
gap
happened in Delhi? Everyone, nobody gives a fuck, huh?
वो मेरे को जानते हैं ना इसलिए. वहाँ मैं 19 साल की उम्र में पहली बार गया ना तो मैं समझा कि ओहो.
शुरुआत में जब तू पिछली बार साल मेरे को मिला है, मैं भी even I was like, हाँ ठीक है, maybe he knows what he's doing.
नहीं.
Now I know.
But and all my friends, when we speak to any of my other friends also, you all relate on this also. Yeah, सही है. हाँ, correct. But I'm just saying, but it was also a thing. Look, I had a friend from, I won't name him, but from,
Abhishek,
no,
Raju.
Anchal. But anyway, he's from, whatever.
Go
That's how
on.
it matters. मतलब वो बेगूसराय से बिहार में जहाँ पे ऐसे गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर जिस पे बनी है ना,
Wow.
वहाँ पे इज लाइक हाँ मेरे तो बचपन में हमारे से 3 बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे. 12 साल की उम्र में वन ऑफ माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स गॉट शॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड किल्ड. हाँ मतलब नॉर्मल इतना कुछ वो नहीं है.
Sure.
Economically weaker, so he had to.
There were a lot of climate activists out in Begumsara, is what he's saying.
Begusarai.
बेगूसराय में बहुत सारे क्लाइमेट एक्टिविस्ट बैठे हैं.
Correct.
Okay.
They were passionate about the environment.
Carry on.
So वहाँ पे मतलब this 2.5 लाख था fees साल का नालसार में. Somebody like him who had a better rank than me, he got rank 85 or 87 or whatever without access to those facilities or whatever of padhai etc. मतलब.
And he's ST or something.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Gen
He's general category.
General में 30 rank
General-
है.
85 or 86 or something like that.
Right.
All India rank.
Pretty
Did
good.
better than I did, right?
Right.
So with less access, hats off. Somebody like him had to take a loan to study at Nalsa, whereas somebody else who has like
Right.
14,000 All India rank is coming in a Mercedes.
He's coming in a Mercedes.
Yeah, because SCS is not
Right,
an
I get
economic consideration at all.
Absolutely.
I understood. I entered college. I saw this as a general thing. Ki, bhai, ye kya? This is kind of fucked. But then you understand the need. They show you enough. There's enough discourse, and you sit with the lefties for enough time, and they show you enough movies, and you understand that reservation is necessary for representation, right?
No,
And
reservation is absolutely necessary. It's just a matter of how long that reservation stays in place. How many generations are supposed to stay in place.
Yes.
But nobody has the political will to actually broach this subject because it is so sensitive.
If-
Nobody wants to reevaluate reservations. Nobody wants to actually fucking figure out, okay, 3 generations now of reservations. You are living in a fucking, $1 million apartment out in fucking South Delhi and shit.
you have perhaps
Does your
risen
family-
above a lot of.
Yeah, do you now still
But you know
deserve-
what? But still, but then the fact that I also saw those guys, very funnily enough, I mean, the irony is a bit in the fact that because that guy came in a Mercedes and because uska 14,000 rank tha, this or whatever, he did get discriminated against in that sort of way, even if it just came out of jealousy, but because of his caste. So you see how it does the round around into your butt?
But dude, the reason he's getting discriminated against is because of his rank.
Yeah.
Because of the privilege afforded to him by this reservation, not because he came in a Merc, dude. If he came in a Merc,
I'm
yeah,
saying the
yeah.
combination of the factors that he's not
So you
economically...
can't up to
Because somebody else who is also 14,000 but is not economically
cause and effect
that
is-
well off
Huh.
is not facing the same
It's not the same cause and effect, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the reason for discrimination is not purely his caste status. It's the
It's a combination of those factors.
Correct.
Those two,
Ah.
the marriage of that. But
But yeah, I don't want to name names, but there are friends of ours. I'm not sure yours, but batchmates of mine who've gotten into SRCC and shit for shit ranks, but because they have this, this guy cleared UPSC, now he's an IPS guy. I'm not gonna name his name.
who lived life with almost as much privilege as us, and in a lot of cases more.
more than I. At least as a kid,
Whoa.
at least as a kid, more than I in the sense like his अब ये क्या मैं बोलूँगा, अब उसका बाप ब्यूरोक्रेट है, तो बड़ी सारी चीजें ना उसको वो you get gifts in kind. तो iPad, iPhone वगैरह ऐसे मस्त में आते हैं तुम्हारे, बिकॉज तुमने ये कर दिया, ये वो लोचा वोचा करा दिया उसका, तो तुम्हें मुफ्त के आते हैं. तो मतलब कि एज अ ग्रोइंग अप ना, he always had more than me. Of course, as things have shaped up, I will certainly economically, sure, my family is way more privileged than his, but it's not like he had a tough time growing up, dude. He's not the fucking SC growing up in a tier 2 town, where they do really face the discrimination in
Yeah.
their community also, right? Because there's going to be those people, they do face discrimination based on just caste.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it also depends on, the context is everything, no?
Correct,
In the village, they're going to be, if they're there, that's why they all leave the village and they come here. Because
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, वो
urban
justification
is-
वहाँ पे justified है, यहाँ पे नहीं है, और नहीं होना चाहिए.
the criteria is too straitjacket, no?
Yeah.
There's no consideration for any of the variables or the factors.
The nuance
it's just
is
whether
missing.
you have
Yeah.
there's no nuance
Exactly,
in it.
huh.
And in 75 years we've not been able to craft any nuance in it for reasons of vote bank politics.
Exactly.
But-
that's just it.
But if I'm not if I'm not mistaken, that's fine. Coaster.
But I didn't.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, if I am not mistaken, in fact, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was the president of the Constituent Assembly, the fucking constitution head drafting ka, who himself was a Dalit, who put in these reservation things, in his vision, India was only supposed to have reservation for the first 10 years. And then afterwards, if I'm not wrong, Congress just they just kept passing amendments to the constitution and extending it by 10 years again and again. If I'm not wrong, this is how it's happened. It was only baked in for the first 10 years of Indian independence so that that gap can be sort of bridged.
Yeah.
Yes, the gap was not bridged, and yes, one or two times is necessary for them to do it. But this is how they extend the reservation by every 10 years, by the way, those provisions. Through constitutional amendments, they keep doing it, if I'm not wrong.
That's fucking nuts, dude. There's got to be a better system.
Because he had tried to time lock it. Because he's like, ये एक
that's
temporary measure होना चाहिए.
Of course, of
It's
course.
not certainly not something that should be.
In perpetuity, bro. That's fucking nuts. It is pretty nuts to me. But, it's the system we live in.
But exactly. Because it's funny because the people who are really, really affected by this don't even have that access to education for other reasons. It's not like that kid in the village. The kid in the village who makes it to Nalsar is an outlier.
Of course.
Even.
But I don't even think village
there's-
kids make it to Nalsar, bro. City kids make, even, tier 2 town kids. Village kids who do, did you actually see someone who was from a village? It's got to be like small towns.
Yes, small
Right?
towns.
Village kids don't make it in Nalsar, dude. That ain't happening, bruh.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is too serious.
Fuck, हमने तो joke भी नहीं मारा.
वही कह रहा हूँ, एक भी जोक नहीं था इसमें, क्योंकि इस पे थोड़ा सा insensitive हो जाता है जोक मारना.
Crazy. वो socially responsible क्यों बन गया बीच में?
Disgusting,
वो
dude.
बीटी दे रही है.
बीच में क्या? This whole episode has been about us being socially responsible, killing humans.
Hitler. I don't live in the Netherlands anymore. I can do this.
Do we get banned from the YouTube because of this?
The YouTube?
Fuck
those guys.
The fucking Jews. But apparently it's a brown guy now. Running the
Now it's cool to do this again, no?
Yes,
Now
yeah.
this is a-
Susan Wachowski is now out. Now it's some desi fella running the tubes. I
Wow.
forget his name though. Anand or Abhishek or some shit like that. Something which A से शुरू होता है. इसका नाम पक्का.
Some Indian guy's name starts with A. Yeah, that's 500 million people. Literally.
CEO YouTube who? That's how you ask questions.
Correct.
ChatGPT who?
We weren't affording the same access to education.
Neil Mohan. Sorry, A से है ही नहीं इसका नाम. Neil Mohan.
कोई बात नहीं. मोहन भाई.
Oh, but by the way, he's not. Well, it's interesting. So he's not born in India, but he's born in Lafayette, Indiana. So he's at least retained.
Indiana.
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 That is
लफायत हो जफायत हो है तो इंडिया ना.
Indiana. His parents moved to the right state. The parents were like, we're leaving India, but we can't leave India. No?
Correct.
Can't leave India.
इंडिया ना.
No, can't leave India.
कहाँ जा रहा है? इंडिया ना.
तो उसको तो कुछ बोलते भी नहीं होगा जब वापस आ गए Indiana return. That makes no sense.
कहाँ जाना है बेबी? ये मैसाचुसेट्स नहीं, ये बोला नहीं जा रहा. ये कहाँ जा रहा है? टेक्सास? नहीं.
Texas.
पेनिसिल पाकिस्तान लग रहा है. ठीक है. इंडिया ना.
Indiana चलते हैं. That's pretty cool.
कॉलीफ्लावरिया. कहाँ पे एले? कॉलीफ्लावरिया. कॉलीफ्लावरिया.
What else? What else is spicy on the internet? Let me look at some shit.
Spicy on the internet नहीं, ये अपना the Gook won the world the chess championship.
Oh yeah, Gook, the Gooks.
The Gook won.
The Gook won, dude.
अपना भाई गुकेश.
Gukesh bhai jeet gaya.
Let's go.
But it's not a real because Magnus wasn't playing, no? In this championship.
यार 18 साल की उम्र में बन गया, ठीक है.
ठीक है, world champion है, it's good, but I'm just saying he's not number one rank yet.
अबे मगनेश को भी हरा देगा वो.
तो वही होता है ना, in chess, it's not just the winning the championship, it's the rank that really makes you the greatest.
अच्छा.
Yes, the grandmaster rank उसकी नहीं है वो at the top. He's not world number one ranked. For example, like even now,
लेकिन वर्ल्ड चैंपियन तो है ना.
yeah, like Carlos Alcaraz won Wimbledon this year. He won the championship, but number one rank is Yannick Sinner. So Sinner is the rank.
Oh, obviously.
Rank one, yeah. Obviously, तू headphone नहीं पहनता ना आजकल. तू you play fast and loose with the law. Dumb fuck.
I've never done that in my life. I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm
Oh,
the
and
most law-abiding citizen there is.
was so bad.
Shut up. Please. Because I don't want to say something illegal. Yeah, bastard.
Achha, we forgot to address, this is the New Year's episode. This is the first episode we released for the New Year.
Happy New Year!
Actually, not first.
No,
Because
wait.
नहीं, हम because bonus पहले निकाल देंगे ना, वो जो हमने Bahamas से बनाया.
तो हमारा New Year episode कैसे लगा? How did you enjoy our New Year's holiday
Welcome
in
to
the
the New Year.
Bahamas?
Let's start the New Year with a resolution. Kill as many people as possible. Save the planet.
Yes.
Clap होते हैं ना, you Twitter पे जो clap.
Sanjay Gandhi
जो Twitter पे
stands.
लोग post मारते हैं ना, after every word there's a clap. They do that ना? Clap.
Yes.
Kill as many people as possible.
Kill
Save
as many
the
people
planet. That's
Kill as many people as possible.
No, you're not supposed to clap with every
Sure.
syllable, dude.
Oh, okay.
You're fucking it up. After every word, there's a clap emoji.
I can't do this.
You can't
Bloody
even be an
Amer-
activist, dude.
American.
I'm out here, fucking in the trenches, murking all these.
Abbe, I didn't go to PTSD like you. Parso the School of Design.
Parsons School of Design, yeah.
हाँ द डाल दिया होता ना तो PTSD हो जाता बीच में.
It used to be called. Nahin. Parsons, the new school. Apparently, it used to be called something else, but now they changed the name to Parsons School of Design. When I was there, they changed the name. It was Parsons School of Design.
They changed the name when you were there.
अरे नहीं, it's been called Parsons for a while, but उसके पहले कुछ और था कि Parsons the new school or Parsons some shit like that. But then they changed it to Parsons School of Design only because Parsons itself is a bigger brand than the new school is. People don't really know about the new school unless you're in New York.
What is the new school?
The New School University. That's the university under
The
which
new school university.
the new school because you
Great.
know, university.
Well done.
College in America is called school. You say I go to school, so I went to school at Parsons. That's what they say. You don't say
स्कूल को स्कूल बोला करो ना चूतियों.
school को भी school ही बोलते हैं चूतिए.
मैं चूतिया थोड़ी ये चूतिए हुए ना स्कूल को स्कूल बोल कॉलेज को भी स्कूल बोलना है.
Correct.
और मैं चूतिया.
College क्यों? तो college so basically उनके because I mean I guess yeah, so the distinction is not school and college because college is a college is typically part of a university system. So in the UK, for example, they say uni. They say I'm going to uni, but in the US they say school for whatever reason.
The reason being the idiots.
Let me tell you something. It's fewer syllables. It's shorter. That's why America is all about efficiency. School खत्म. University पागल बैठा हूँ क्या? Time नहीं तो
Uni is fine.
काम नहीं कर रहा तो बंदे नहीं मार रहा मेरे को 2-3 धरती बचाने के लिए. मैं स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ने बैठ जाऊँ बोलने.
Correct. You save a syllable every time.
Every syllable you save is another
There's
second.
another guy marked.
Is another second you could be fucking murking pedestrians on the street, dude.
Correct.
Yeah.
Games like GTA.
You know all these people, the liberals are like, oh my god, it's the fucking war state. Israel is killing all these Palestinians. They are just out here protecting the fucking planet. You idiots.
They learnt
Yes.
from Hitler's crusade.
From our podcast right now, they've been clued in because you know this is the YouTube. They know
Correct.
where it's at. They've been getting all the information. They're getting all the sauce.
Hi Jews. Mr. Jew, are you there?
I really think we should be frame world politics in this manner. Russia.
I mean, it makes sense also. Look, on a historical level,
correct.
what the Hitler and the Nazis did to the Jew population. Now, if it was so bad, would they be doing the same thing to the Palestinians?
No, you know what? And I actually think there is Genghis Khan killing people actually influenced and fuck. Why does it keep recorrecting Genghis, bro? Genghis
It's racist.
Khan killing people helped cool planet. Apparently, this is a thing. This is like a fact I've read elsewhere that he killed so many people it actually cooled the planet. Yes, there is a theory suggesting that Genghis Khan's conquest may have had a temporary cooling effect on the planet due to significant depopulation and subsequent reforestation. Is what I was trying to say. The idea is based on the following factors. Massive population decline. Genghis Khan and his armies killed millions of people across Asia and Europe during the 13th century, leading to abandoned farmland. There you go. You don't even need the fucking farm. You don't need to plant shit. Kill humans. Reforestation. Abandoned farmland reverted to forests, which absorbed large amounts of carbon dioxide. Do you think Dharavi? Imagine Dharavi turning into a big forest, bro. Mumbai mein.
Wow.
Yeah. Of course. Listen.
It does mean 1 million poor people died, but I mean.
But
listen.
that's what I was going to get to. It's the easiest to kill them. They can't fight back. They're not strong. They're already malnourished.
2-4 वहां से निकल के रैपर बन जाएगा.
Sure, you probably get fewer carbon credits. For example, if I were to kill Anant Ambani, that's probably 3 persons worth of carbon credits.
That is 3 murders.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That is 3 persons worth. But it's a numbers game, and it's easier. It's easier to my mind.
So this is the real reason that the UN does nothing about actual active conflicts.
Exactly. They know
the UN is fundamentally an environmental organization masked behind this guise of security, which they provide in a terrible manner so that the environment benefits.
Their real failing
is their marketing.
Is convincing people. It's marketing. We keep going back to the marketing, guys. And you need professionals. What do? I am propaganda. In propaganda. I will do it for you. Let's make it happen. Listen, the problem you probably face in the arts and creative industries is people have too much of a moral conscience or something. I got none. You got to find the right person. I got no qualms advocating the genocide
of poor people?
Well,
that's one category to consider.
One category, yes.
But yes, actually, murking a lot of the rich would do a lot of good because carbon footprints.
Carbon ज़्यादा कटेगा, but उनको फिर मारना मुश्किल है. You have to go through their security.
Correct. There's an ease of doing business that's not present over there.
Exactly. You fucking pump a bullet in Mr. Ambani. You don't even know if it's gonna reach his heart. It's probably there's like layers of subcutaneous fat. It's gonna stop it in its tracks, dude.
Well,
dude, I'm telling you, you cannot stab him to death.
No, you can't.
You could stab him to that, but it would take a lot of stabs. It's like a lot. I mean, like a way more than you see in the movies where some guy gets,
You have to draw and quarter him.
Like you see in the movies now, when in the prison they just shiv you. It's called shiving, na? 2-3 वो एक टूथपेस्ट को साफ करके 2-3 जगह मार दिया, बंदा मर गया. तो लगता है वो बंदा.
Bro, आपका टूथपिक ही टूट जाएगा उसके अंदर. वो तो he cannot be. He's invincible.
Dude, this is a dark podcast. I mean, the joke has only been murder.
Welcome to my world. Half the songs I'm writing aajkal are murder, na?
It's a pretty dark podcast to begin the year with, but...
Hey man, it's 2025. The world is dark.
It's what you signed up for.
Yeah. This is the post-apocalyptic pandemic.
Remember how you were prognosticating? Hypothesizing.
I don't do that anymore. Sex work is not my thing.
Remember how you were hypothesizing that who's Israel attacking next? Maybe it's Uzbekistan. They actually have sent troops to Syria.
Wow.
We were not far off.
We were not very far.
Not far off, dude. Israel is just looking for the next place where they can implement their climate change agenda.
And you know who's not going to do anything here again? United Nature.
United Nature. The United Nature planet on
the UN's looking out for the planet. Get the population down.
Yeah. It's more the international planet on climate complacency, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, they're complacent. You gotta be proactive with this shit, dude.
IPCC.
See? It's been a good one. Are we there yet? You think it's been just 50-ish minutes?
बात करनी नहीं करनी. अपने धरती माँ को बचाना नहीं बचा रहा तूने. बचाते हैं ना. उनको हमारी जरूरत है.
The people need us, and this is a social service.
People are here increasing life expectancy, working against nature. It's terrible.
Dude, and then think
Scientists, doctors.
मैं वही कहने वाला था, डॉक्टर्स को मारना चाहिए भाई. डॉक्टर्स का तो तुमको डबल मिलना चाहिए क्रेडिट, नहीं क्योंकि वो बंदे बचा रहे हैं.
वो इतने लोग बचा रहे हैं. करेक्ट. वो कार्बन फुट डॉक्टर. अच्छा, पैंडेमिक के टाइम तो लोगों ने बहुत पूजा किया कि डॉक्टर इतने बढ़िया लोग होते हैं. बेचारा वो तुम्हारा कार्बन फुटप्रिंट बढ़ा रहे हैं. ये प्लैनेट चोद रहे हैं.
ये लुइजी मैंजियोनी इज अ क्लाइमेट टेररिस्ट. ब्रायन थॉमसन, by denying coverage, was helping Earth heal.
Fuck Luigi
Mangione bhang ke lode.
I changed my stance.
You've killed a fucking champion of the
anti-environmentalist.
Yeah, fucking hell, dude. He's not an eco-terrorist.
He's an eco-terrorist.
Brian Thompson is an eco-terrorist. Eco-terrorism means you're pro-ecology, and then that's where you're committing terrorism.
Yeah. Fuck. एक बारी नजरिया बदल के देखो ना दुनिया पे. पता चलता है लोगों
Perspective, ना the first thing.
को। हाँ तो मैंने उर्दू में बोल दिया तेरे को क्या बैचुत
perspective.
Perspective.
एक बंदे का अकाउंट भी आया है।
नजरिया और उर्दू में बोलते हुए ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं नजरिया नजाकत
ये करना अलाउड होता है। उर्दू अगर बोलो तो
Allowed
ये
होता है।
अलाउड होता
अब
है।
मैं ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव बोलूंगा तो फिर-
इंग्लिश में अगर तुमने ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव बोला लोग बंदा सोचेंगे भाई पता है मेरे को शब्द क्या है।
हाँ।
You don't have to
हाँ, इतना क्या
I don't need
इतना
the
मत
flourish-
तोड़ साले हाँ।
flourish to change. I don't want your gesticulations with the
उर्दू में तो ये लहजा होता है बात करने का।
अब बात ही ऐसे करते हैं लोग।
बात ही ऐसे होती है
लोग जाके बोलते हैं सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम
सलाम
सलाम।
ऐसी बात करते हैं।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
अबे,
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
उर्दू में नहीं होता हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, दैट्स इंग्लिश। डम फक।
नया साल मुबारक
साल मुबारक।
और बर्थडे पे भी तो साल गिरा मुबारक
साल गिरा
साल गिरा कहाँ गिरा भाई ये साल तो गिरा
It's been a good year. Year recap.
It's
Let's do
been a-
that. Year recap.
एक्चुअली जो मैंने सोचा था स्टार्ट में मेरी लाइफ होगी इस साल में बिल्कुल ही अलग हो गई है
I really like, yeah, exactly, the strides, and and of course, like I only evaluate my life from a very particular perspective, what I have accomplished career-wise, professionally.
तो मैं
The rest is not a problem to me because there's no, yeah,
मेरे नजर
Yeah.
I've sort of thought of this
Yeah.
from a
yeah,
like result oriented thing as well और मैंने इंज लग गया I feel like 2024 and 2025 is a combined set of these 2 years for me because like ये हमने बहुत सारे we've put our fingers in a lot of pies
yes.
in 2024 and not all of them have been realized yet
No,
but I
that's
feel like
always
in
the case.
2025 all of these loose ends are going to tie up
Yeah,
I
That's-
feel like this is the year for 2024 is the you
You've
put
been-
it in the
you're
oven
laying the
2025
groundwork
yeah
for, and some projects have been realized. Some of them are just in development, and we will soon be,
yeah
jerking off all over it.
correct we're gonna come hard at 2025
Fuck yes, I'm looking forward. And yeah,
I'm blindfolding myself but I'm coming hard regardless
dude, that's the
I
best.
like it like that sometimes listen
No,
I'm
like
not
you-
looking forward
Yeah, what? Dude,
But-
listen, not everyone is worth looking at when you're coming. Okay, sometimes you gotta. Sometimes,
I think
sometimes you have butter faces.
if I'm coming I think
If you
it's
gotta,
fine.
huh?
If I'm coming I think it's all right I think everything up
If
to
I'm
there
coming,
is-
fuck the other person.
That's
He,
the
she, they,
idea.
them. Yeah, exactly. Well, if I'm coming, fucking the other person, माचदा है. Well, not really.
वो उनके पेरेंट्स का इक्वेशन है
हाँ हम क्यों
वो आप देख लो।
फैमिली डायनामिक में
हम क्यों घुसे फैमिली डायनामिक डिपेंड करता है
देख बैठ करते कि
हम
कितने
घुस
डायनामिक
सकते
फैमिली
हैं।
है, कितने
कितनी
घुसना
डायनामिक
कितनी
फैमिली
घुसना लायक है, बहनें कितनी है उसकी, कजन, चाची, कुछ चाचे भी होती है आजकल पीस.
हाँ वो तो
सिर्फ
सदियों
बहनों
से है मतलब ऐसे कुछ
हाँ.
there's always
नहीं बट आजकल थोड़ा सा मार्केट में घूम रही होती है.
तू कौन से मार्केट घूम गया है चाचियों के मार्केट में
You know I love Karol Bagh, dude. I love the
ओ
Karol
कैरल बाग कैरल मिल जाएगी बाग कोई
Kajol, अगर Kajol.
काजोल बाग
Kajol.
काजोल बाग
Yeah.
काजोल भाग
अजय देवगन से.
उसके नाम में ही गन है बेंचोद
Hasn't he changed?
अजय देवगन
He's removed the U though. The
वो
A.
बहुत साल पहले हाँ
हाँ,
सो इट्स
Devnya. Because in Spanish, the G and Devnya.
देवनी
Devnya.
वो तो बहुत साल पहले इनफैक्ट उस before Singapore his career retook off after he did that in the early 2000s or something
Numerology.
yeah
They all love that shit.
yeah
Our friend tried to do numerology. He attempted it for a year, then he got over it. Vrushab Sanskri.
yeah
He removed the U from Vrushab, became Vrushab, and then in the
Added some shit.
Sanskrit he added some fucking shit. Now he's back to regular.
add some double R or something
Some shit he did, dude. It didn't help his career supposedly.
some gorilla spelling in sans gorilla
I guess it's not for every. It's not
without
a
gorilla
yeah, it's not a panacea. It's not a fucking. It doesn't work for everybody, you know.
no ਪੈਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿਦੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਆ
Panacea.
ਹਾਂ
Pana.
ਆ ਪੈਂਦੀ
Hmm.
ਪੈਨਾ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਪੈਨਾ ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਪੈਨਾ ਸੀ ਆ cousin ਸੀ ਆ
India China कुछ salami slicing competition. Something I read. Hold on.
salami slicing competition
India defeated China's salami slicing strategy this year.
अबे ये तो छोटा न्यूज है. नो, किसी अरब नेशन को पार्टिसिपेट करके दिखाओ, फिर वही जीतेंगे.
It's called. It's
साला
called.
जोक मारो, ध्यान भी नहीं दे रहा.
समझ गया मैं, सलामी स्लाइसिंग हाँ अरब्स की है, बट अरब क्यों सलामी खाएंगे? सलामी isn't salami a European thing, dude?
मैं तो खतने की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Slicing की बात कर रहा है.
हाँ वो तो स्लाइसिंग, वो अपने सलामी को स्लाइस नहीं करते
That's a
बचपन में.
racist joke and I will not laugh at it.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? हंस
आज
दिया.
क्या हो गया? तबीयत खराब हो
हंस
गई.
दिया. Hello.
Sorry, I'm looking at Economic Times. I gotta change it to the Hindu.
Economic Times.
What?
Nothing. Go on.
It's the name of the publication.
Don't get defensive. You can watch porn if you like.
High drama.
Except you open Pornhub and you see like two people debating philosophy. I don't know.
High drama outside Parliament as BJP Congress accused each other of jostling 2 hours ago. Ambedkar Rao. BJP MP Pratap Sarangi was taken to hospital after getting injured in the melee. Okay. Some Ambedkar Rao. Since you were talking about Ambedkar, you might as well approach this topic.
He was a cool guy.
Yeah.
He had his shit together.
Yeah.
He was a classic starter from the bottom. Now we here. What a man.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju accused Mr. Gandhi of assaulting and injuring 2 BJP MPs, Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput. Called Mr. Sarangi and Mr. Rajput by the health after the sustained. ये गांधी ने मारा है? Oh,
Rahul
BJP
Gandhi is beating up people.
Nishikant Dubey also accused Mr. Gandhi of resorting to gundagardi, hooliganism. Mr. Rijiju said, इतना नाम इसका
Kiran Rijiju.
Kiran Rijiju. Hold on.
मिनिस्टर है ना, एक मिनिस्टर.
अभी तो नाम पड़ा किरण रिजिजू ही है भाई.
हाँ, मिनिस्टर.
Kiran, her name is not Kiran, Kiren, Rijiju or Rijiju. Rijiju.
वो पहले दीदी जीजू का डिवोर्स हो गया था.
हाँ तो
अब जीजू वापस आ गए, लेकिन जीजू से अपना बहुत लगाव है,
तो
तो हमने अपना नाम ही रीजीजू रख दिया.
Rijiju. So it's a line of Rijiju.
पहले उसे जीजू बोलते थे, फिर बहन का लोड़ा साला उसको बोलते थे, अब रीजीजू हो गया.
He's been rejijued.
Correct.
The guy got rejijued. Parliament is not a place to show physical strength. It is not a wrestling ring.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
क्या बता रहे हो?
मैं तो यही सोच के बॉडी बना रहा हूँ.
मेरे को तो
कि
लगा
पार्लियामेंट जाके लड़ूंगा मैं.
मेरे को लगा पार्लियामेंट नहीं बनाई है बिकॉज कॉलोसियम है, ग्लैडिएटर खाएंगे हमको नेक्स्ट.
हाँ.
नो?
हाँ, just like Rome, we are great civilization. Great this that. मैं सोचा लड़ाइयाँ दंगे होंगे वहाँ पे. Rahul Gandhi is getting jacked. Atishi is getting jacked at the home gym in the CM's resident. What is all this happening for?
Correct.
Why does Arvind Kejriwal's house, well, the Delhi CM's house,
Yeah.
have such an amazing gym? Why do you think Rahul Gandhi is got those gains? Why do you think Modi ji does yoga? The reason is Parliament is a place to show your physical strength.
These guys
You don't see Anant Ambani in Parliament, do you?
No, of course not.
Do you see him moving and shaking anything? He's never moved or shaken anyway. Or shook.
I was trying to enter parliament and the BJP MPs were stopping me, pushing me, threatening me. Mr. Gandhi
Okay, push harder.
told reporters in parliament premises.
Push harder, man. They were pushing you. You got pushed. Parliament is a place to show physical strength.
Asked if Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi had also been pushed. Mr. Gandhi said, "It has happened, but we don't get bothered with this pushing around." अबे तो तू मार रहा है उसको वापस, फिर कहता है we don't get bothered.
वही तो कह रहा है. He's like हम देख लेंगे इनको.
This is the entry to parliament. We have a right to go inside, and the BJP members were stopping us from going inside. He allegedly pointed.
तो मुक्का मारना भोसड़ी के.
मकर द्वार. To the मकर द्वार. मकर द्वार क्या होता है? तो डोर होएगा पूरी.
मकर द्वार.
मकर द्वार.
अच्छा.
In any case, I guess we're getting physical now.
Yeah, we are
Really,
getting
I mean,
physical
like
now.
politics needs to evolve and become a fucking
Sport.
Squid Game.
This is full sport.
Yeah, make it a reality TV show, dude. Send them out. Make it Hunger Games.
Let's see them earn their fucking keep.
I am sick and tired of living in this fucking limbo where we are not a total dystopia nor a utopia. You know, कुछ अच्छा मतलब कि ये mediocrity मतलब कि normal की जिंदगी जी लो, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत changes कुछ ना कुछ होंगे over the course of your lifetime. Maybe 3 things will change so that your grandparents, so that your grandchildren are now fighting for 3 more other things. I say
Yeah,
fuck.
because the population also, by the way, is by 12 billion by now. Yeah, sure. At that point in time.
So anyway, I mean, yeah, if you want to, but the population is supposed to reach a peak of 11 billions and then drop down. So then after that, it's just decline. It's not never ending increase. नहीं,
I was gonna say 11, but I went to 12. But yes,
हाँ हाँ 11 के बाद वो गिरने वाली है बरंडी, ये कहते हैं
11 तक.
11 तक
It's gonna
हमारी
stretch the earth to.
अगले 20 साल में अपना स्ट्रैटेजी, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी टेक ऑफ हो जाएगी. फिर जो 11 बिलियन बंदे पहुंच जाएंगे ना, वहां पे we'll start killing. Then we start the climate change.
नहीं, बहुत wait. Listen.
No, there's going to be people who get a head start. Don't think that there's nobody committing murders right now for the climate.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर हमें we need to get ahead of the curve. We as true nature bhakts, we must start our good work a little earlier, don't you think? Not wait for the saturation of 11 billion.
No, what I'm saying is it will take us about 20 years for this marketing strategy to eventually percolate down to.
Yes, yeah,
You have to
because
change them. It takes time, dude. This is a,
yeah, we are 20-30 years ahead of the general populace for sure mentally.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm in
We've got a head start.
2055 bitches. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Goodbye.
मुझे शक्ति दीजिए बाबा साहेब, ताकि मैं उन लोगों से लड़ सकूं जो आपका और आपके संविधान का अपमान करते हैं.